Several European countries have introduced travel restrictions on people coming from the UK as a new variation of coronavirus spreads rapidly there.
Good day everyone, I'm Gian Bagos, a first-year MLS student from the University of San Agustin, and I advocate for the protection of health of the human family. This pandemic has affected us in so many ways that we can imagine. People lost their jobs and their sense of security. Even though all of us is experiencing this pandemic, its consequences are felt differently. Each and every one of us is in a different position in life, and how we act as individuals to minimize the spread of the virus will reflect our sense of empathy as a person. Coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID-19 is defined as an illness caused by a novel coronavirus, now called severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 or SARS-CoV-2, formerly called 2019 nCoV. New strains of viruses occur when there is a change or mutation to the virus's genes. It is the nature of RNA viruses such as the coronavirus to evolve and change gradually. There are some preliminary suggestions that it's more contagious, but it's not yet proven. The mutations in the new strain seem to affect the coronavirus's spike proteins, which cover the outer coating of the SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus and give it its characteristic spiky appearance. These proteins help the virus attach to human cells in the nose and other areas and invade the body, causing the COVID-19 illness. The virus that causes COVID-19 most commonly spreads between people who are in close contact with one another. It spreads through respiratory droplets or small particles such as those in aerosols produced when an infected person coughs, sneezes, sings, talks, or breathes. A person may get COVID-19 by touching the surface or object that has the virus on it, and then touching their own mouth, nose, or eyes. With that, let's now talk about what practical steps that you can take to keep you and those around you healthy and secure. As COVID-19 spread around the globe, one way of combating its spread is through participating in contact tracing. When systematically applied, contact tracing will break the chains of transmission and will be an essential public health tool for controlling infectious disease outbreaks. Contact tracing prevents the spread of COVID-19 in 3 ways. So let it be a reminder that your participation in contact tracing requires your full honesty and submission to the purpose of minimizing the spread of the virus. Trace is a nationwide and unified contact tracing app that automates manual contact tracing by using QR code scanning, such that the tracing process done in several days can now be achieved in just a few minutes. I encourage you to stay true with your posts and the things you share on social media. The end of this pandemic will start with you in advocating for the protection of health of the human family. Let us work together to break the chain of transmission to protect yourself and, of course, other people.